Hey you guys, sorry for the weird intro. This is a little different today. Just enjoy my little farmhouse catch-all bin as we slowly pan to the actual reason for this video. This is going to be a little video on the Gothic farmhouse update for the kitchen faucet. Yes, I know, so exciting, right? Anyway, this faucet you're about to see right here, we purchased over 10 years ago and installed it ourselves. It's been very beautiful and very handy, but we do believe that it's time for an update. Again, over 10 years old. The spout is kind of coming loose and not retracting as much. And also it's become a little bit loose on the base. I know it's an easy fix, but listen, I'm the type that's like, let's just go ahead and replace it. So that is what we're going to be doing today. In comes the faucet that I purchased from Amazon. I will be leaving the link to this faucet below. It was very affordable. It was under $50, but it is in a matte black finish, which is what I was looking for. It still has some of the characteristics of the faucet that we currently have with the high overarch and the spout tip that has the sprayer, but what a beautiful finish this is. I'm really excited to go ahead and install this in the Gothic farmhouse kitchen. So I hope you're ready to do this with me. Follow along with me and Hubs and let's have a good time. Obviously, the first thing I had to do was clean out underneath the sink. That was a good time. And there is Hubs underneath trying to take out all the screws and stuff. But yes, the first step was to loosen up all the pipes and pull this bitch out of the old sink top. Oh, I guess he's having some trouble there. But yeah, it's a little messy, especially when you actually remove the old plate and you see all of the grime that has collected in there for 10 years. But yeah, we cleaned that, went ahead and fed through the new sink faucet with the base plate underneath. This is where I am going to stick a photo of my husband and I because we love each other so much. And you know, home improvements can get a little dicey at times. It did take us over 2 hours back and forth underneath the sink, wrestling with the pipes and the screws and attaching everything and maneuvering around. And you know, sometimes life just gets a little heated. But remember, true love always lasts and will prevail. And then the end result is something that you can enjoy together and look back and say, we made it through that. All right, everything is hooked in and tight. We decided to install the handle front facing so that it gave more of a streamlined appearance from when you're standing in the kitchen and looking out. It's also a really nice little holder for our bamboo pan scrubber. I really like how that came out. You just pull it forward and then tilt it from side to side for hot to cold water. It's a very nice stream. I like this a lot. The little hose is very nice. It turns on from a spray to a stream, and there's also a pause button on it, which, you know, comes in handy when you're doing some things. But yeah, really happy with the way this sprayer works. It's a nice flow, it's good pressure, and it comes back just how it should, unlike the one that we replaced before. And there you go. That is the matte black faucet from Amazon for our Gothic farmhouse kitchen upgrade. I think it's beautiful. I think the matte black really does work with the scheme we have. We are planning on doing white quartz countertops at some point and then an undermount sink. So the faucet will be mounted just on the white quartz at some point. But right now we just have to put it on the sink top. Of course, I will keep you guys updated on any new things that happen in the Gothic farmhouse. But for right now, we're just going to enjoy this little upgrade. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below if you love this faucet, and I will see you on the next one.